The Congress party has launched full campaigning in Tura parliamentary seat. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Deborah Marak is leading the campaign for party candidate. Congress MP candidate Tura parliamentary constituency Saling Sangma said that the party is focusing on issues of smuggling along with the international border and the issue of corruption in the state, and Congress party will leave no stone unturned to snatch the Tura seat from the NPP this time.
They are working very hard to ensure that our candidate Sri Saling Sangma wins this time. There are many issues, local issues like corruption and then price issues. Many things like smuggling to Bangladesh. There are many issues actually, Garo.